I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'll be posting videos following my life as a new mom, including travel, shopping hauls, and decorating. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family, so hit the subscribe button below. Today's video is an undecorate, clean and decorate for fall with me. Fall is my favorite season to decorate for. I think the colors really match the feel of my home. Don't forget to watch to the end to see how it all came together. Let's get started. My family has spent a lot of time up north this summer, so we've had a busy summer and a lot of mess to deal with getting home. And my mom is also visiting from Grenada. She came to see my daughter, who's now 5 months old. And all those clothes that you see are her taking Luna shopping all the time, every single day. She just wants to buy her all the things. I'm just putting all of the random things lying around my dining room into this green bag just so I can sort through it a little bit later. This big pink bucket has all of my fall decorations that I've been accumulating over the years. This year I didn't do too much extra shopping because I had a lot of things from last year and a few things that I didn't get to use last year. So I just bought a few things to make it feel fresh. And this blue bin is what I will be putting all of my summer decorations away into for storage. So I love this Method Wood for Good polish. It smells like almond and it really gives my table a nice shine without making it slippery afterwards. This tablecloth is from Walmart. I got it quite a few years ago. I actually bought two and I'm so happy I did that because I'd never be able to find them again. That charger is from Dollarama, and then this candle is a pumpkin spice scent and it's DW Home, and I got that from Marshall's. I'll be moving things around quite a bit on this centerpiece until I find the things that really worked for it. It ended up looking really pretty at the end, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you can see it as well. So this little tree is a tree that we got instead of having a big tree because we were tired of setting it up and putting it down every year. Then one year, as a joke, I said, let's just turn it into a holiday tree. And we ended up doing that, and it's been around now for about 3 or 4 years. I plan on keeping this tree and moving it into Luna's room for Christmas this year, and then finally getting a big tree just so she gets the full holiday spirit. lots of people must think that it's really weird that I have a mommy blog and also have a bar in my living room. But a fun fact for you is that I was a professional bartender for many years. I went to school for mixology. I got 100% on my final exam and I graduated, and I love everything about mixology. I love making the drinks. I love choosing ingredients. I always have a fully stocked bar, and I'm ready to make any type of cocktail at the drop of a hat. It's something that I'm really passionate about. I have been for many, many years, and every holiday season I like to come up with a new cocktail and serve them to people whenever they come over to my house. I will definitely post a video on something like that around Thanksgiving when I figure out what I'm going to be making. Love this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. It smells like a fresh apple orchard, and I got all three of the products, the multi-purpose spray, the dish soap, and the hand soap, and I love all three of them. It makes my house smell like fall, and when you clean with Mrs. Meyer products, I find that the scent lingers around quite long, and I love that. In Canada, and Thanksgiving here is in October, and so that's why you'll see me putting this banner up. I got this at Party City last year, and it was cheap. It was probably like $4.99. I got this cool half barrel from a restaurant that I used to work with, and it's my favorite piece in my house. It's really heavy, and I love to decorate it each season as well. Switch out the pictures sometimes, so I'm adding a more fall oriented picture that we actually took at a pumpkin patch a few years ago, and switching out the one that I had on there, which was a summary photo of us on a boat about to go parasailing. pineapple pillow covers on Amazon. They were really inexpensive. I believe it was around $16.99. Pillow covers are one of the easiest ways to change the decor every season. And I just bought 4 random pillows, and every season I just find new pillowcases and I switch them out, and it really adds to the decor. I got my husband to put a hook up here for me, and I love this spot because I can always change one sign per season, and it helps to bring everything together in my living room, and it's the first thing you see when you walk in through the front door. These candles were purchased at Marshall's, both of them, and they were $5.99 and $9.99, and they both just smell like pumpkin spice. I know, basic. Now I'm just going to give everything a quick Dyson, and I will be right back with the reveal for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this fall clean and decorate with me. This is my first clean and decorate with me, and I really enjoyed filming it and editing it. It took me a little extra time to get it out because I was not sure exactly how I was going to do everything, but I'm glad I completed it. Leave this video a comment, like it by giving it thumbs up, let me know what you think about it. I'll be back next week with another one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red button, and I will see you guys next week for a new video.